Hello and welcome to my channel Khan Marketing. If you do not know about my channel, then here I am showing you my journey from $0 to $1000 a day. So click the subscribe button and bell icon button below so that you get notified if I create new videos for this channel. If you wanted to make money online, then I have mentioned the link in my description box, which is my most recommended method out there. So let's start with the today's topic, that is how to make $30 per hour just by watching videos online. I have always been eager to find opportunities that offer new ways of earning. And from last few months, there are a few sites popping up that claims registering and making money for watching videos online. Actually, such sites claim that if you test out their websites, apps, and prototypes, they will give you money. Such sites actually have a large list of businesses and website owners. They ask them to do a certain task that will help them to identify whether their apps and websites are performing well or not. So you may be thinking that why they need answers or asking such question from the people. So I have covered your answers here. Actually, they are looking for the answers whether how easy it is to access and read their website, how difficult it is to navigate around and last on their website. And e-commerce businesses that are generally product focused want to know how easy it is to search the products on their websites, because they have huge database of products, and if they offer users easy access to their products, definitely this will enhance their sales. And the fourth one is, do colors and overall structures offer pleasant feelings and better engagement to the users? So if you know that Google algorithm has focused a lot more on the user interaction and bounce rate, so by doing this and by getting honest views from the people, such businesses helps their websites and apps to make them better, and the ultimate objective is to enhance their revenue. So I hope you get the idea. Big companies invest a huge sum of money in getting visitors to their site. Either they are using paid methods like pay-per-click or doing SEO. It costs them big time, especially when they have a large competitors. After doing such, they simply couldn't afford to lose visitors just because of the unfriendly site structure. One thing very clear about this method is that doing this type of work just rewards you some extra money only, which means that if you are looking or thinking for a full-time or long-term business, this is not for you. And for that purpose, I mentioned the link in the description box that will let you earn full-time income from home. So let's look at few of the sites that offer such a opportunity to earn $30 per hour from just watching videos. The first one in my list is user testing. User testing pays you to visit websites, apps, complete a certain set of tasks, and speak your thoughts aloud. So first look at the user testing website. This is the user testing website. Its address is www.usertesting.com. Registering with the user testing is free, and you could see that by login and creating an account you can find easily on this. And after doing this, you need to undertake a test using an online screen recorder. This tool will be provided free of cost, and once you are signed up, you will have access to it through their website. The screen recorder will record everything going on your desktop as you explore a site, including your mouse actions, the links you click, and many more. I hope you are now pretty clear about how this testing will help you properly understand what sections on their website need fixing and what areas are good to go. You need to move each part and speak about your constructive critics, and they can also hear your comments as you scan their website. So as you can assume, this is a service that would be very valuable to a person building a new website. User testing site supports either a PC or a Mac. If you are qualified for the test, you will also need a microphone to record your voice. Screen recording is only the costly products, but you are provided for free here. So I hope you get the basic idea. Now you may be thinking of how much can you earn with user testing. So I will cover here. At the start, you will most of the offers start from $3 to $10 for every website test you do. It will take your 5 to 20 minutes to complete that test. Once you have completed that test, your payment will be in the pending status, and after 7 days it gets released to your PayPal account. As your account gets older with a 4+ ratings, you will also get $15 per test, and it will also take you much lesser time than like 10 to 15 minutes. Your hard work will eventually pay you off after some time, and you will get increasing number of tests. So let's look at things you should consider before joining this site. The first one is not guaranteed to get daily tests. Yes, that's true. The first issue is you are not guaranteed to get daily tests, which is why I said above that this is just an extra money opportunity. I know how it would be a tense situation when you are looking 2 to 3 times a day and couldn't get any test at all. The most important thing that decides your eligibility is your demographics. If you are from the United States, then most likely you get some test on a daily basis. Sometimes you are happy after accessing your account but couldn't qualify for the particular test. So you need to pass two main things. That is, one is you should be from the United States, and you also sometimes need to qualify for the actually testing process. So when you have completed both of these things, you are good to go to complete the test itself. The second thing is, this is not something that can earn you a full-time income. Getting 1 or 2 tests after 2 or 3 days would not let you reach any placement for your job. Even companies have strict criteria to approve any test, and if they do not agree with your test, they can write a negative review which can spoil your whole profile. The third one, giving such tests is an art and which cannot be fit for everyone. If you are good at this and confident in speaking on everything, this can be an opportunity for you. But I know that very few people could be of such criteria. It takes the time to get some perfection, and the thing is just keep talking about what you see and your thoughts on the website. It means you need some experience of using the website, because if you do not know anything, then how would you be able to talk about such things? So getting basic stuff about a website is and apps is the main criteria. You can talk about any website and apps only once you have a good knowledge about that. The number 4 point, you needed to be logged in most of the time because companies had a limited budget, and required only a few numbers of tests from the users, and once it gets completed, then they will not entertain anymore. To cater this problem, you need to log in most of the time, and when you see any new test, just do it immediately. So user testing is a legitimate way to earn money, and it helps both companies to get an objective viewpoint and also help users to make some money. I would recommend this business to those who are more passionate about doing such things rather than money. The reason is that it is not something that can help you to earn a full-time income. I know some people are using this for making money to invest in some places and learn more about doing online business. If you are also among them and do not have money, then you can use this opportunity to earn $100 to $200 per month. So I have given you idea about user testing. Now let's look at the other sites, and these are all sites are working on a similar basis to the user testing. You just need to create an account and pass the test. And let's look at the sites list. testingtime.com, trymyui.com, enrollapp.com, userlytics.com, userfield.com, userzoom.com, validately.com, and these are some of the sites. I recommend you to join as much sites as possible, because this will let you get access to most of the tests and help you earn more money at the end. So I hope you like this video, and if you like it, please share with your friends and colleagues. And if you wanted to make a full-time income that could replace your 9 to 5 job, I have mentioned the link in the description box. And if you have any question about this topic, please ask me in the comment section below. That's all for today. Thank you.